So after you've gone through the download instructions from the EndNote website, open up Microsoft Word. And if you had it opened previously, you're going to need to close it and reopen it. When you reopen it, you'll find that you have a tab up here on your toolbar for EndNote. So this is pretty cool. Then you just need to log into your EndNote account. And I'm going to pause it while I do that. And once you're logged in, you'll have this EndNote toolbar that you can use. So if I could say I'm writing in my paper and I say fire is really cool, fire burns differently in different forests, and then I wanted to cite something, I have it. Let's see. I have it available. So I can say, okay, insert citation, and it'll say, okay, find one of your references. So since I know that I have a paper in my EndNote online by heart, I can just type in heart, which is what I did, and it comes up with the paper that I've already exported to EndNote online. If this is the paper that I wanted to cite, I click insert and it'll just stick it behind that sentence, and I can hit period. Now it just goes ahead and starts my list of citations right now. Now I will point out this isn't the format I want. I have it in this ABNT, which I'm not familiar with, but I do like that it's an author date. I'm going to go ahead and do the Chicago author date, and it'll change it and put the citation in that format. And it's cool because if you do your whole paper in the wrong format, you can just convert it, bam, and you're done. So this is a really cool way to use your library database to export your citations to EndNote, your EndNote website to be a storehouse for all of your citations, and then you can just insert them as you write. Very, very cool tool. Right here is a button to go to that website. So if I didn't already have it open, I can go here and see which references I have in my particular list on the website, and all of those are then available to me while I write with Word. The other really nice thing about this is, let's say I want to go through and edit my paper because I wrote too much and it's too long and I need to take something out. So if I ended up taking this sentence out and I deleted that reference, it will automatically take it out of my literature cited when I update it. So if I update it, it says, oh, you didn't use that anymore, and it's gone. So if I had a list of 15 sources and I deleted it out of my paper, at the end I just update it and it'll take out whichever ones that I deleted when I was editing my paper. And it is important to only cite the sources that you use in your paper, so you want to make sure you update it at the end of writing it. Okay, that's it for how to use EndNote with Word. It's a really cool tool. I think it'll be helpful for you.